This is your website. Yeah, the reason that I'm recording this video for you is that I am being trained in website design, and I want to show you a website that you might like. Okay, I'm going to show it to you now. My boss figures that an agency could get like $1,200 to $1,500 or maybe more for a website like this. Yeah, I would add your photos here in the gallery link. There. Same thing with your contact details in this link. Or if you have any other information that you want to add about your services that you're offering, you can also add it here. There. And about your company, you can also add it there. Yeah, if this website would be good for you or helpful for you, please do me a favor and hit a reply and let me know. If not, no big deal. I forgot to mention my name is Julie and I am working at Agent Boomer Marketing in Red Deer. Talk to you soon.